Hello guys and welcome to How to Socials. In this video I'm going to show you how to make your Facebook account completely private. So let's start. First, open your Facebook app. Now tap on the three bars on top right corner and tap on Settings and Privacy and go to Privacy Shortcuts. Now tap on Review a few important privacy settings. Now tap on Who can see what you share. Tap Continue. Here we have to change all the options to only me. Now tap Next. Now same as before, I'll change all the options to only me. I'll just leave the story to friends. Now to ensure complete privacy, I have to limit my past post. So tap on Limit and then tap Next. Now tap on Review another topic and choose another one. Now tap Continue. So we don't have to change anything here. So keep tapping Next and then tap Review another topic. Now choose another one. Set the friend request to friends of friends and tap Next. Set your phone number and email to only me and tap Next. Now disable the search engines option if it is enabled and then tap Next. And now go to another option and tap Next. Disable face recognition option and tap Next again. Restrict the location permission and now tap Continue. And that's how you go to full privacy mode on your Facebook app. So if this video helped you out, don't forget to leave a like and see you in the next tutorial.